Hi, in this video I will explain how to disable duet features on TikTok. If you don't want other people to use your video as a duet video, then follow this video until it's finished. But before heading to the tutorial, make sure your TikTok is on the latest version. Okay, let's jump into TikTok. The first step, click on the profile button in the lower right corner. The second step, click on the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Third step, click on Settings and Privacy. The fourth step, click on Privacy to enter into the privacy settings of your TikTok account. Then, scroll down and click on the Duet button. The last step, change the Duet setting to Only Me. After you change this setting, no one will be able to do a duet on your TikTok video. I hope this video can help you. If you have questions, please write them in the comments column.